Probably one of the most insane price increases I think any of us has ever seen just happened. And it involves this, the ONN Pro 2 box. And I don't have the stick over here, but also their brand new 4K stick. And when I say insane, wait until you see these numbers, because they have made this device essentially unpurchasable, in my opinion. But you guys can let me know down in the comments. If you want to save money on streaming services and learn about the newest devices, subscribe right down below. Let's get to it. Now, when I say a price increase, we are not talking about a few USD, a few dollars here or there. This is actually one of the biggest price increases I've ever seen for a discounted devices. And luckily for you Americans, you guys get to laugh at me this time. This is actually only in Canada. However, you never know, right? Because seeing a price increase like this makes me think maybe this will also come to the US. So let's start with the Pro model, which previously in Canada was going for a total of $75. Now, this is about a $60 device in the States. So it was only a $15 price difference, which in fact was cheaper when you do the conversion for USD. But now this device is going for 120 USD, 120 USD. Let's quick math here, quick math. 120 CAD to USD, that is $86. That is around 25 more than this device costs in the US. That is a massive, massive increase. But that's not all. Check this one out. We have the ONN 4K streaming stick, originally priced at $50 in Canada. That was $10 more than the USD counterpart, and a little bit more with conversion, or a little bit cheaper with conversion than the US. It is now going for 95 USD. Holy cowballs, shit. That is huge. This is just a fucking 4K streaming stick. So the price difference is crazy. Now do this conversion here. 95 CAD to USD, $68. That is nearly 25 more than you will pay in the States. So actually both are at around that $25 range. Coincidence? Probably not. It seems like they really want to increase the price here. Now, I saw some comments saying, hey, well, this is actually third-party seller. It is actually not third-party seller. This is directly from Walmart with pickup available in stores close to me, going for what is the price of some of the top streaming devices like Fire TV cubes, and only half the price of an NVIDIA Shield, actually a little bit less than half the price. This is crazy price gouge, okay? Absolutely insane. Now, I also thought to myself, well, that doesn't necessarily mean it's all the devices. In fact, they stopped selling the regular 4K boxes now in Canada. I used to be able to go on here and I would see the regular 4K box. I actually just picked one up from Walmart last week in Canada, if you guys remember. Well, they don't sell those anymore. They actually now only offer the $95 stick, which you can get delivery within 2 hours, woohoo, right, if we want to pick it up, or the 4K box. So we go ONN 4K Pro. We should also get it to pop up here, right here, 120 Canadian. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up, even to you, my US audience, is because this is such a big price increase. It makes me think that they are either testing the waters as a new premium device, which these two spec-wise are in the premium competitive category in my eyes anyways, right? Like they're just below some of the most powerful devices, but they were also highly sought after because of their affordability, which they just completely took away, at least in Canada. These are no longer affordable devices. These are now unaffordable devices that you might get over Roku and Fire Sticks, even though they're actually better. Now let's read some of these comments here. That's just not true. And this is the one I was first alluding to. It is a reseller buying the devices and selling them on the Walmart Canadian site. That is actually not true. Both are listed as sold by Walmart. And this is true. It usually mentions when it's a third-party seller. Some other people got one yesterday and now they're 120 in Canada. Wish I could share a screenshot. Yes, the prices increased. It used to be cheaper, but now the 4K Pro, Google TV, Gemini, Ultra streaming device, 123 in Montreal. I live in Montreal and see the prices increase in the province of Quebec. And they included a link here, which goes to the same page selling it for 120. Price matters, but loyalty matters more. For years, the king and his kingdom were okay, what is this? Were seen as fair, just, and loyal. Uh, Loyal years carried the banner. But when the gates start closing, trust breaks. And when the king breaks faith with the people who build. Okay. So I think basically what they're trying to say is people aren't going to be loyal when you lower the price. I think is essentially the point of this whole comment here. Anyways, I just thought it was important information to bring you guys. That is an insane price increase, and I hope we don't see any more. But to me, if you're a Canadian, these are a no-go buy at that price. There's just better devices or cheaper ones that are going to do essentially the same thing. Now, if you guys have a second, go hit me up on Instagram, Upgrade Guy Tech. I do all sorts of tech-related reels, including doing giveaways from time to time. And if you get a chance and you follow me, go spam some likes here so I can build up my Instagram following as well. Like always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below. Bye.